we get to the RA-250 and its little garage area. These doors on the side, they open. That's to get access to not control circuitry, but cabling. And this is not something that I did. This is the way I received it from Jay. This thing went through holy hell to come here to mop radio. As you can see, the trim is fine on one side, but beat the crap on the other because Jay and his crew, they were really wrestling with this thing. Included in this deal, Tim, is 2 of the back doors to close off the back. They must weigh 100 pounds apiece, and that's what that's all about. We'll take a look at the controls, the control center, and down here on the floor, laying beside it, is the door. You can see part of a tan door. There is a door that covers the these controls up. These are motorized tuning, and they work. I'm not going to demonstrate them. All I'm going to show you is that how to key this thing up remotely and what the meters look like. Here's some notes. This will be included. Whoops. These will be included of what you should see when this thing is running right. And there's your filament adjustment and the plate tuning and oh boy, 810 tuning. I don't know. The manual's included there, Tim. The antenna controls, I don't think, I'm not sure. All I've done is it was just a fine tune it to 1885, and that's where it stayed. It may go up to 1880, and it really doesn't affect much tuning by even going to 1890. But we'll see here, almost 10 volts of filament. Is that marked? Yeah. PA filament, almost 10 volts, like I believe it should be. And this control here, if you want me to mark it with a somewhat professional P-Touch, I will. If not, that's why you have this video. You can keep this for whatever. By flipping this switch, I'm going to remote key this transmitter. All it does is it sends a short closure back to my push-to-talk floor switch, and it activates the whole mess back in the shack, the exciter, everything. And if you need to tune or play around for tuning, this is for really remote operation because, like I say, we're about 150 feet from the shack. So by flipping this up, the old red plate relay light, comes on, and we see our driver plate of 140 mils. Now, because I'm supplying the driver and the driver current or driver RF, and there's nothing going on with the crystal exciters or crystal anything in here or the buffer, there's no action on those 2 meters, driver grid, crystal plate. Here is the modulator plate, resting currents. Oops. Resting current of 1, 2. And a little slightly imbalanced, but what are we going to do, you know? Here's the filament voltage on the tubes for the PA. Here is the PA grid, a little over 140 mils. Here's your PA plate, the DC kilovolts on there, almost just a smidge under 1500 volts. Here's the PA plate of well, about 290 mils, I guess, and you saw 300 watts coming out of there. And here's the RF line. For some reason, that never did work. and there's an antenna meter. A lot of neat metering there.